Great video for you. All right, I'm telling you. Remember, guys, remember this stuff? It does not matter what brand it is, but mineral oil. Yes, it's a laxative, but it's also a preservative, and you can use it for your pocket knives. All right, so I was about to open them up. I've peeked. I saw a few things that concerned me. So let's check it out. It's been 2 years. These things have been, what, in the car, in the rain, out in the garage. All right, this is just one of a few knife rolls I have. I'm going to take a look at that. Let me take a sip of my hot chocolate. The camera person is actually my daughter. Yes, that little girl that used to be in my videos is now behind the camera taking pictures of me.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, sweetie. What is that? I don't like that. It looks like some of the nylon stuck to this. Let me see if that's a... Oh, it comes right off. All right, well, that'll come right off. And yeah, that'll come right off. It's not pitting, it's not corrosion. So that's a good thing. Ooh, right. That's my ivory though. Look at that. And okay, that's gonna come right off. But I am noticing that the ivory has changed color. So far, the only things I'm finding that's of concern is a little bit of sticking. It looks like everything else fared really well. All these bone handle ones, these case knives. Look at this case knife. Let's check it out. Let's see what the blades look like. Okay, it looks like it still has a thin film of the old mineral oil on there. Okay, let's take our rag and wipe her down and see. It's been 2 years. Ooh, that looks pretty.
Yeah.
You see any corrosion on that, sweetie?
No.
None at all. See that hollow ground blade? You see that? See that fine polished edge? This year of case knife, they would actually polish that edge. It looks like a diamond. Isn't that nice? They did a really good job on these knives. Tested XX razor's edge. Yeah, this is a really nice knife. These knives right here, they'll push over $300 depending on how good the scales are. The red bone on these is really beautiful, deep red. Nice matching on this side also. This is a beautiful knife, just a beauty. So fantastic stuff. So what I'll do is I'll put this mineral oil on some of these, and especially the wood. Look at that. So you put this mineral oil on there, and it's just going to really soak it up. And then before you put them away, you're going to take a dry rag and just wipe them down real quick. And then you just put them to bed. And they're good for another 2 years.
Wow.
Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Well, hey, guys, thanks for watching. And I'm back.